Wonder why the snatch tips. 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 Look here, Top Dash. I hate to salt your game, but you some money, honey. Multi-app and need to change. In the chat room, all that you do was laugh. High five, cause another couple played your way. They said you was sleazy, even greedy. They give around for what you need. It's your thing, and you can dash how you wanna. Dash for free, making money on the corner. But don't get mad, play the game. Get mad at change. Then you wonder why the customer to call your name. Still looking for a way out, and that's okay. And I can see you eating a hamburger way out. Keep your mind on your money and go to school. Maybe years pass by, you can show them food. But you ain't trying to hear you because you're stuck. You had it for delivery, looking all fucked up. Still looking for a tip, man. Because you just got your apps on trying to get rich. I love you like a dasher, but you need to switch. And that's why the snatch tips. Betcha. That's why the snatch tips. That's why the snatch tips. Betcha. That's why the snatch tips.